Can we comment on Instagram post with a photo? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can comment on Instagram post with a photo. So let's get started. First thing, we'll just open up our Instagram. And after you open up your Instagram, simply head over to a post that you want to comment on. So I'll just head over to my friend's profile here, and there I'll just head over to a post. Now I'll just head over to the comment section, and right there, this is the comment section. I'll just type something in. So here you should notice a stickers option. If you tap on it, you will see that you will be able to comment using your avatar, your stickers. So you can just comment whatever you want from here, and there is also a GIF option. Now you can just select whichever GIF you want and you can post that as a comment. Now there is no option to which you can post a photo. So if there is not something like that, let us head over to our app store to check if there is an update for Instagram. So simply search for Instagram, and after you find Instagram, open it up. If you do not see an update option, that means that Instagram currently does not have an update where you can comment on the post with a photo. So the most you can do is post a GIF. And yeah, I hope this answers your question, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.